guys, the past few weeks Instagram's been showing me these advertisements about these nails and I decided to get two of them, the Kiss and the Impress. This week we are going to try the Kiss. These are artificial gel nails that you can stick on your natural nails. The box came with a cuticle stick, glue, the 28 nails and sticky pads. Oh, and the instructions of course. The application of these nails is very easy. You select the nails based on the size of your nails and then you either use the glue or the sticky pad. I'm going to use the glue on one hand and the sticky pad on the other hand to see if one is better than the other. Once I was fairly certain that these are not going to fall off, I decided to go about my day. I opened doors, I used touch screens, I tore open a straw to see how they will hold up, but then this happened.
To watch the movies and one of my nails broke. In the sticker, everything's gone. Huh. Oh well.
I ended up just replacing the nail that I had lost. Now I know why we have 28 nails in the box. All things considered, I think these nails are fun to wear. They're easy to apply, but are they as easy to take off? Will I try them again? And will they actually last as long as they say they last? Follow me on Instagram for all these updates. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Have you tried these nails? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Leave a comment down below. Until next time, be fearless, be brave.